Hello friends, we're going to be trying something a little bit different today. We're going to be taking this model 686 Smith & Wesson 357 Magnum Performance Center revolver, and what I'm going to try and do today is shoot 6 rounds at the 100-yard gong, ring them, readjust the scope as quick as possible while I'm on camera, and then put 6 rounds at the 200-yard gongs and see how good the repeatability of the scope is, how good I can shoot, and it might be just something that might be kind of fun. I thought I'd give it a whirl, so we'll give her a try and see how it works. Oh, that was only 5, but oh well, you get the idea. Okay. Okay, that was 80 clicks. 80 clicks. Now we'll see whether we can ring the gong at 200 yards. A little tougher than the 100-yard shot. Miss. Darn, another miss. Well, anyway, it worked out at least as well as I hoped it would. Isn't that amazing? 80 clicks between the 100-yard gong and the 200-yard gong. The baby goes right back to where it's supposed to be. It worked out pretty darn good. That was kind of fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.